What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the new Lepow 15.6 inch portable Full HD monitor. Now this is a large 15.6 inch screen that you can travel or move easily from room to room with. It will allow you to connect your laptop, game console, Android TV box, smartphones and lots more via HDMI, and you also have a full featured USB-C connection. So without any further ado, inside the box you will find your user manual. You've got some screen protector accessories and it just feels like a cleaning cloth so you can keep the screen clean. You have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, an HDMI cable and its mini HDMI to full-size HDMI. You're also getting a small USB power brick and the voltage is 5 volts 2A. And here is a screen protector. It's not tempered glass, it's the standard flimsy type ones you get, but it's nice that it's included in the package. Last but certainly not least, the monitor itself. So here it is guys. Wow, that is really thin. So here is the smart PU leather cover. It's a hard case and when you open it up you've got a nice soft lining to keep your monitor safe. Now the monitor actually attaches magnetically to the top part of the smart case. So the monitor is now magnetically attached. It's quite a secure connection, but I wouldn't let go of the monitor in case it does fall out. So you can adjust the monitor's positioning. You can have it angled or you can have it more upright. And if you wanted an even more vertical position, you can go slightly backwards and that's still going to stay in place. That's not going to fall down on you. So here is the monitor itself in my hands. Now it doesn't get more portable than this. 15.6 inch IPS widescreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. You have a 60 Hz refresh rate with 16.7 million colors and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. The dimensions are 368 millimeters in width, 223 millimeters in height, and in thickness this is only 7.62 millimeters and weighs 770 grams. You can see on the front we have quite slim bezels going all the way around. You've got the Lepow logo at the bottom. Now on the left hand side of the monitor we have a 3.5mm audio output, a USB Type-C port. Right next to that we have a mini HDMI port. Over here we have a single speaker. Now on the other side we have a power button, a function button so you can adjust the brightness and the volume, and you have a USB-C power port. And just above that you have another single speaker. So you have two speakers on each side, nothing fancy, it's just 2 times 1 watt. So I want to give you a few examples of how you can use this monitor. The first thing we're going to do is mirror my MacBook Pro. So if we plug it in first of all. So my 13-inch MacBook Pro has been mirrored to a larger 15.6 inch, a single USB-C cable. No external power needed. So a closer look at the monitor. Viewing angles are also not bad. So I'm just going to play one of my videos. Inside the box you will find a user manual. We have a cool looking remote control.
I am living my best life on earth. No.
So the next device I'm going to connect to this monitor is going to be my P30 Pro. Now smartphones are lower powered, so you're going to have to use external power. So external power I'm going to be using is just a power bank. So straightforward, plug the power bank into the power socket on the other side of the monitor. And you can now see my mobile phone screen mirrored. So anything I do on this, you can see it works really smooth with no lag at all. What I'm going to do is actually play a video so you can see that everything's in sync. So if we open up YouTube. So for the next test we are going to be testing out the PlayStation 4. I've got the PS4 all set up and it's working absolutely fine. Now to make this work I had to plug in the power cable, the mini HDMI cable, and also another USB-C cable which would go straight into the front port of the PlayStation 4. The volume is actually on max right now. You've got a button over here which allows you to change the volume. If you press that same button again, you have controls for your brightness, eco mode, your color temperature, language, So there you have it, guys. That was the Lepow 15.6 inch Full HD portable monitor. Now this product is currently priced at only $169 US. I absolutely love the quality of this product. It's very well made. It's certainly a light and portable monitor, and it's easy to move around with. I really like the large 15.6 inch widescreen display. It's great for presentations, movies and gaming, and overall design looks pretty cool with the slim bezels. However, the built-in 2-watt speakers are not going to blow you away, but you have the option to attach your own headphones or speaker system. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.